Here we have a 2015 65 plate BMW 435D M Sport XDRIVE Grand Coupe. Now we do have 4 superb unscratched, unmarked 20-inch alloy wheels in satin black. Now we do have the LED headlights as well as the black front kidney grills. Full M Sport styling kits, so you get the black front splitter, side skirt extensions, rear boot spoiler and also a rear diffuser. Now we do have lots of blacked out styling on this vehicle, so you get the window trim which is black, the vents on either front wing as well as the full M Sport kit and the all black wheels. Now we do have front and rear parking sensors with also dual exhaust flush with the rear bumper and also the rear diffuser. We have a power assisted rear tailgate from a touch of a button on the key, and it's also power assisted back down again with a nice size boot. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. And there's a quick zoomed in shot of one of those superb alloy wheels. Going to the rear, I'll show you a bit of the interior of this car. Now, as you can see, we do have full Dakota leather throughout with ISOFIX points, pull down leather armor, so 2 nice size cup holders. You have your vents just in the centre there as well. Electric windows with your BMW individual trim just there. We have your integrated Harman speakers there as well, which do sound absolutely incredible. There's a quick look at the driver's front seat, which is heated, electric and memory. On the doors you have your electric windows, again integrated Harman speakers and your BMW individual trim. Jump inside, there is the auto lights. Foot on the brake, you also have keyless start from a touch of a button. We have a multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter with paddle shift if you wish to take the car into manual mode. Now this vehicle has done just over 42,000 miles and is free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We have your screen in the centre where you can find your satellite navigation, where you can zoom in and out. We also have your media connectivity, so we do have Bluetooth media, aux and also USB. We also have DAB radio, Bluetooth phone connectivity, and then back to navigation. Now we do have different drive modes, where we do have Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport and also Sports Plus. Now pop it into reverse, you can see we do have your front and rear parking sensors visual display just there. Coming down here, we have your dual zone climate control. Now this works exactly how you would expect it to. 2 heated front seats for those cold winter mornings, which really does make all the difference. Storage just there. Open this up, 2 nice size cup holders with 12-volt connectivity. Traction control on and off as well as your driver mode select. Parking sensors, and this is what you use to control everything that happens on your screen. You also have the touchpad just there as well if you need to type in your address or anything else. Soft touch leather armrest with storage just underneath as well. And there's a look at the passenger's full Dakota leather front seat with the extended thigh support just like the driver. Now, we do have the BMW individual trim all around the interior of this vehicle, which is a very nice addition. We also have the gloss black trim there as well. Now, this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, new MOT, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 435D M Sport XDRIVE Grand Coupe. Now the purpose of this video test drive, of course, is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. As you can see, I'm not having to fight with steering to keep it a straight line, just going straight and true, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. Now we do have a multi-function steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter on the left hand side. That's to activate the cruise control. Button at the bottom, press that, and you can use the dial to go up and down, and it'll go to the nearest miles an hour. Push up very slightly, or just by 1. Push up until feel, bit of a click, and it'll go to the nearest 5 miles an hour. Now to cancel, simply just press the brake or double tap the button, and it will go completely off. Now we do have paddle shift if you wish to take the car into manual mode as well as auto wipers. Now I'm going to take over the manual controls when leaving the roundabout in a second, where I'm going to take a left as you would if you were test driving this vehicle today. Now, as I'm stuck in a bit of traffic, I'll talk about other features that we've got in this vehicle. Now, for example, we do have the integrated Harman speakers, which do sound absolutely incredible. Very, very crisp sound. We also have the BMW individual trim all around the interior of this vehicle. So you do have the silver, blue, and also the gloss black. Now, we do have a very comfortable full Dakota leather seats throughout. Now, the 2 front seats are also heated. As well, the driver's seat is heated, electric, and memory. So, leaving the roundabout now, I'm going to take over. So, currently in 2nd, up to 3rd, into 4th, into 5th, and then to let the car take back over, simply just let go, or press the gear stick to the side, and then bring it back. Now when you're in drive, push the gear stick to the left, it goes into S, which is the sport gear changing mode. Now this goes through the rev range a lot longer and sharpens up those gear changes so you can accelerate faster, and it also just makes it go faster, sharpening up those gear changes and revving through the rev range a lot longer. Now we have the screen in the centre where we find your satellite navigation. We also have Bluetooth media and Bluetooth audio connectivity, DAB radio. We also have front and rear parking sensors on a visual display just there as well. Now if you're test driving this vehicle today, you'll be listening out for any wanted knocks or bangs, and if you've been listening out during this test drive video, there hasn't been any, which is always a bonus when buying a used car. Now, here at RS Car Sales, we do offer free nationwide next day delivery. So wherever you are in the country, we can facilitate you for wherever you may be, and we can deliver your car free of charge. Now, in a second, I'm coming into the industrial site where I'm going to take a right. I'm going to perform an emergency stop, then I'm going to put it straight into reverse just to show you that the brakes work exactly how you would expect them to. And you'll see pop up in the centre screen the front and rear parking sensors of the visual display. So just coming up to it now, and I'll do a countdown of 3, 2, 1, and then I'll do the emergency stop. So pulling in now, as there's no traffic, I'll be able to do the emergency stop straight away. So I'll do the emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. Hard anti-brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. You've got the visual display just up there as well. Back into drive, again, no issues whatsoever. Now, like I said before, if you're test driving this vehicle today, you'd be listening out for any unwanted knocks or bangs. And if you listen to the rest of this test drive video, there hasn't been any, which is always a bonus when buying a used car. Now, if you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive or walk around video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer unanswered questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it for me in this walk around video test drive. Hope to hear from you soon. Cheers.